Right, this is really interesting. Now it says please wait, and it's touch, no touch, and waiting, and waiting, no touch. Just put your hand there. Takes forever now. I pressed again. Oh no, it reset. Wow, that's so good. So I'm waiting. Beeping is nice. Now it's green. Good. Okay. Okay, it's green now, so this is really interesting without touch. Before they had the buttons where you had to press, but since those times, it's better to have a no touch interface, wireless. You just hover the hand on top of it. You hover the hand on top of it and it's working. I think it's really nice. If there is nobody there waiting to cross the street, there will not be a red light so often. But if there is, you can go there and you can press on it and wait for crossing the street. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get my souvlaki.